फिजिक्स का मॉडल पेपर है और ए प्लस है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टार्ट है कॉलम ला में हम डिस्क्राइब द फोर्स ऑन अ पॉजिटिव पॉइंट charge when placed between parallel plates with opposite and equal charges. When a positive point is placed positive point charge is placed between parallel plates with opposite but equal amount of charge, then electric field intensity due to the one plate is equal in magnitude but in same direction of the electric field intensity due to the one plate is equal in magnitude but in same direction of the electric field intensity due to the other plate. So the value of resultant electric field intensity is non-zero, hence the point charge will be accelerated toward negative plate. What is the effect of medium between the charge and upon Coulomb force? Explain. If an insulating material dielectric is placed between the charge, it will reduce the electrostatic force as compared to the free space by factor epsilon or relative permittivity. State Coulomb law expresses its mathematical form. It states the force of attraction or repulsion between the 2 point charges. Where I am? Oh, sorry. I am wrong because I forget my line. Sorry. Hence, the point will be accelerated toward negative plate. What is the effect of medium between the charge upon column? Explain. If an insulating material dielectric is placed between the charges, it will be reduced the electrostatic force as compared to the free space by factor epsilon r. Relative permittivity F is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon r और Q1 Q2 ओवर आर का स्केयर आर ऊपर नॉर और उसके बाद कॉलम ला एक्सप्रेस द। थैंक यू आपका जुड़ने के लिए। कॉलम ला एक्सप्रेस mathematical form. It states the force of attraction or repulsion between 2 points charges directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the charges and inversely proportional to the square. Thank you आपका square of the distance between them. Mathematical. If q1 q2 be charges, distance between r is then f is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon और q1 q2 over r का स्केयर r. थैंक यू आपका भी। electric force. Electrostatic branch of physics. We deal with the study of stationary charges is called electrostatics. Electric field. The force which hold the negative and positive charges that make up atom or molecule is called electric force. Thank you आपका भी। Active force. The proof column law obey third law of motion. Let us the two charges as shown from column law. F21 is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon or q1 q2 over r का स्केयर r21 and F12 is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon or q1 q2 over r का स्केयर r12. From figure it can be seen that r21 is equal to minus r12. R21 is equal to minus r12 equation, and F21 is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon or q1 over q1 q2 over r का स्केयर minus r12 F21 is equal to minus 1 over 4 pi epsilon or Q1 Q2 over arc square R12 using equation F21 is equal to minus 12. Hence proved that both the force are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Calculate the calculate the force between two similar charges of unit magnitude placed meter थैंक यू आपका जुड़ने के लिए apart in air the force between charges is given by F is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon or q1 q2 over arc square q1 is equal to q2 is equal to q is equal to 1 c and r is equal to 1 m. F is equal to 9 multiplied 10 raised power 9 multiply 1 over 1 का square is equal to 9 multiply 10 raised power 9 n. Electric field lines characteristics of electric field lines. The electric field line originate from positive charges and on negative charges tangent to a field line at any point gives the direction of the electric field intensity at that point. The lines are closed when where the field is strong. The line are further apart where the field is weak. No two lines cross each other. Electric lines force never cross y. The electric lines of force never cross each other. This is because that electric lines has only one direction at any point. If the line cross electric field could have more than one direction, which is not possible if a point charges q of mass m is released non-uniform electric field, which is with the field lines pointed in the same direction rectilinear motion. If a point थैंक यू आपका सब्सक्राइब कर दें प्लीज़. If a point charges q of mass m is placed at any point in the field, it will follow straight or rectilinear path along the field line due to the repulsive force. Describe the force on positive point charge when placed between parallel plates with similar equal charges. When a positive point charge is placed between the parallel plates with similar and equal charges, then the थैंक यू आपका जुड़ने के लिए. सब्सक्राइब करें प्लीज़. Then the electric field intensity due to the one plate is equal to the magnitude but opposite in direction of electric intensity due to the other plate. So the value of resultant electric field intensity is 0. Hence the net force on the positive point charges is 0. This will be remain at rest electric intensity and give its units. So the electrostatic force per unit test charge at a specific point in the electric field is called electric field intensity. E is equal to F over Q naught. Its unit is Nc per 1. आगे between distance distinguish between the electric field intensity electric field the space or region around the charge in which it exerts electric force on the other charges is called electric field intensity at any point in electric field intensity electric field, the force experienced point charge q is termed as electric intensity or strength at that point. Electric field intensity, what is the unit direction direction electric field in applied per unit charge is called electric field intensity. As a unit in is n over c, then its direction is thank you. आपका सब्सक्राइब करें प्लीज़ और लाइक करें. Electric field intensity and unit electric direction. Electric field applied per unit charge is electric field intensity. As a unit n over c, its direction is along the electric field more positive form positive and negative plates. It's and shark look at their pre. थैंक यू आपका. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें, जुड़े रहें. Sharks look at their prey. Sharks have a special organ called ampullae or lorenzini that are very sensitive to electric field, can detect potential difference. Thank you. आपका प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें. Potential difference of the order of the nanovolt can locate their very precisely. Application of electrostatics, photoconductor material which behave as an insulator when it is in dark become conductor when it is exposed to light is known as photoconductor. Xerography, name the height of photography. Xerography is a photocopying process. It is taken from the Greek word xeros and graphos, which means writing. The heart of a machine is a drum, which is an aluminum cylinder coated with a layer of selenium. Briefly, roll of deflection plates in inkjet printed inkjet print head eject a steady flow of ink droplet charging electrodes are used to charge droplets that are not needed on the paper. Charged droplets are deflected into a gutter by the deflection plates, while uncharged droplet fly straight onto the paper. Electrostatic xerography, the study of electric charges at rest under the action of electric forces, is known as electrostatics. Xerography is a photocopying machine. Xerography is a photocopying machine process. It is from Greek word xeros, graphos, meaning dry writing. What is function of drum in photocopier? The main part of the drum in photocopier is drum. Heart of photocopier made up of aluminium coated with a layer of selenium. The drum of the collector the drum collector toner dust transferred it to the paper. Electric flux, the SI unit, the number of the field lines passing through a certain element of area is known as electric flux. Please अंदर जाके रखो. What is and electric flux as a unit, the number of field lines passing through a certain element area is known as an electric flux through that area. As a unit is n m square column per 1 phi E is equal to E dot A. If E necessary zero inside a charge. थैंक यू आपका, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और जुड़े रहें हमारे साथ। थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू। If is E necessary zero inside a charged rubber balloon. If balloon is spherical, assume that charge is distributed uniformly over surface. Yes, E is necessarily zero inside a charged rubber balloon. If balloon is spherical, phi E is equal to 1 over epsilon or multiply q. If the Gaussian law surface is imagined inside charged balloon, q is equal to 0, phi E is equal to 0, E dot A is equal to 0. So E is equal to 0. Does the total flux depend upon the shape or geometry of the closed surface? No, the total flux does not depend in an electric to get maximum flux through it when the it in this case the electric field E and area vector A will be parallel up. Theta is equal to 0 degree, phi E is equal to E dot A is equal to E A cos theta. A cos 0 degree, E A is 1 is equal to E A. Mention two situation of vector area in electric flux. If the electric field theta is equal to 0 degrees, then the electric flux will be maximum. Phi E is equal to E dot A cos theta. E A cos theta is equal to E A 1 E A. Then if the electric field area vector A perpendicular theta is equal to 90 degree, then the electric flux will be 0. Phi E is equal to E dot A is equal to E A cos theta. E A cos 90 E A 0 is equal to 0. Electric flux, mention the factors upon depending upon factors. Electric field flux does depend the number of the field lines passing through a certain element of area is known as electric flux through the that area. Electric flux depend upon nature of the medium and the charge enclosed. Then electric field, electric flux, the force which all positive negative charges that make up atom molecule is the electric field force. Number of the electric field lines passing through a certain area of certain element of area